Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix your Apple ID has been locked for security reasons and how you can fix that. There are many reasons behind this error. The one of the main reason is that you have changed your password or input your password 7 to 8 times wrong, and that's why Apple has blocked your ID for security reasons. Now if you want to fix that error, there are two ways. The first method is as that you have to click on settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on Apple ID, and after that you have to click on media and purchases, and you have to simply change your password of the Apple ID by clicking on password and security. If you click on password and security and change password, you have to provide some verification for the change of the password. In this way your verification has been automatically done, so in this way you can fix that error. So the next method is as that what you have to do, you have to simply open that tab and you have to simply click on unlock account, and after that the same verification procedure will start, in which you have to provide that number which you have used while creating the Apple ID, and after that you have provided that mobile number. You have to simply verify your account by that mobile number, which means you have to provide two-factor authentication. There will be a code sent to your mobile number and you have to put that code to verify your account. In this way you can fix that error. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, kindly subscribe our channel.